We make mistakes. And it's okay. We learn from it. Diba? Are you gonna eat food? Huh? Are you gonna eat food with Mama? Dinner time, and our dinner for today, chicken wrap. Chicken wrap ba to? Hindi, nasira ko to. Nagkamali ako ng pag-wrap. We make mistakes. And it's okay. We learn from it. Diba? Sige ka dyan. Oh, from this to this. Not perfect, but at least, diba, na-wrap. So, I have sriracha here. Our detox. Nag-fiber na ako. Hindi na ako nag-film. And yung natirang sauce na nilagay ko. May tabasco din tayo dito. Give that back to me.
Okay.
Oh, this shit don't fit my ass. It gets to a point. It's like the chubby bunny.
Try ko kung ano yung mas better.
Good. You don't mean it. You don't mean it, right? Wait, there's coal in that?
No. Hindi masyadong maanghang yung sriracha.
It's over.
May fries sana to. Naubusan na pala kami ng stock.
Now you're fine. Maybe 4 more percent. Why did I? Hello? Fuck you, baby. Alright, wait, where is it? Where is it? Just kidding. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Get away. Get away. My dumb ass earlier, I would have been raised as well. Petrified or any of these other phrases.
Parang sarap silang ipagsaw.
But it is not always like that because I am not always the worm. Sometimes my friends are the worm and they do the same thing.
Mag-video sana ako kanina nung lunch. Kaso, nahook ako sa AI drama. Hanggang sa nakalimutan ko na. Hanggang sa time na. Balik na sa trabaho.